Now we're heading to UEI College in Fresno, where students are training for hands-on careers in healthcare and skilled trades. We take you inside the campus and show you how they're preparing for the workforce.
Right now we are on the UEI campus, and I'm with the president, Ada Clower. Thank you so much for having me today.
Thank you for coming.
Of course. So let me know, just tell us a little overview about the campus in general.
Okay. UEI College has been in Manchester Mall for almost 12 years now. We have around 900 students, and we offer programs in trades as well as allied health. And our students come to school here, mostly adult learners, and they're here to get hands-on skills and get a career.
We love that.
Yes.
What are the qualifications to be a student?
They have to be a high school graduate or hold a GED.
Okay, that's it?
Yes.
Wow. And when it comes to financing and just going, do we have to do FAFSA, or are there any to help us?
We have federal financial aid for students that qualify for that. Yes, they fill out a FAFSA, and then there's different types of funding available, loans and grants to them as they qualify.
Beautiful. One thing that I really love about this campus and the college in general is, you know, you're serious about the work here.
Yes.
You're coming to school to, you know, have a job,
yes.
Particularly. Tell me about the career services that you guys offer.
Career Services is a team of people that their job is to be in the classroom as the students are matriculating through school, and to get to know them and find out what are their desires. Like, for example, if they're a medical assistant, do they want to work in a pediatrician's office or a dermatology office? HVAC, we have employers come in. For electrical technician, we have employers come in and they meet with Career Services and literally offer up jobs. And then Career Services matches the graduate to the jobs, helps them get interviews, helps them do their resume, and put them to work.
Amazing. And so what's the time like spent here?
Students will be here for a period of 9 to 10 months, depending on the program. 3 of our programs, medical, dental, and pharmacy, will actually do externships with employers before they graduate.
Wow.
So they get hands-on training here at the school 2 days a week, and then in their last mod, they'll go out into the field and work with employers.
That's amazing.
Many of them get jobs out of an externship.
And I imagine you get to meet a lot of people just in, you know, hear their stories.
Oh, yes.
Anything in particular that stands out? Just any miraculous stories?
Oh, all of them. So many of our students are not your traditional college age.
Yeah.
We do have some come to us right out of high school, but so many of our students have children and have marriages, and they're busy and they're working. They come to school 2 days a week. They're online 2 or 3 days a week, learning some of their programming. But we've often been known as the school of second chances.
I like that.
So many of our students, this is their second or third or even fourth career.
Wow.
So they're interested in getting a quality education, getting it in a hurry, learning the skills. All of our instructors have a minimum of 3 years experience in the field. So they're good instructors, they're subject matter experts, and the students can come in and get extra help as needed.
I love it. And then about the workload, because I know it's hands-on. So you come in, you're coming in to work and learn what you're going to be doing. What's it also like, though, outside of the classroom?
Well, they do 2 or 3 days a week. They'll be online, so they meet with their instructor online. The instructor will do a lecture. They have an online portal where they're doing their homework and quizzes. So it's a full-time student. So if they're working full or part-time and coming to school full-time.
Beautiful.
So
and
they have to be serious about it.
Most
and they
definitely.
They have to attend.
Right. I like, because it's like, I'm choosing this, you
Yes,
know. I'm paying
exactly.
money here. I want to make it work,
Exactly.
for sure. And do we have special enrollment periods, or how do people go about that?
We have classes starting every month. So we are a modular program, so students can come in. Our starts are normally at the end of the month, and then each month they go into a different class.
Wow. Okay, so they can kind of just pick it up at any time, like where they feel like they're ready?
Absolutely.
That's the beautiful part about it.
Yeah, and our admissions advisors do their intake and come in and interview them. If a student doesn't know exactly what they're interested in, they'll go through all the programs with them and show them what the job outcomes are, and then they can make a decision as to whether or not the program is right for them.
Beautiful. I mean, off the top of your head, could you tell us about how many different fields we could choose from? I feel like that's probably a hard one.
Well, no. Medical assisting, for the most part, will work in a doctor's office or a clinic. Dental assisting will work in a dental office, so that's pretty specific. They are all trained in front and back office, but most of them prefer the hands-on back office work. The criminal justice will work as security guards starting out. HVAC will be a heating, ventilation, air conditioning, or refrigeration technician. So the guys you see in the vans out on the street and climbing across the roofing, they do all of that. And then the electrical technician, we actually started that program last June, and we have our first graduating class in March. Wow. So they'll work as ETs in the field. And most of them will go on to be electricians later on.
I love it. And another thing that I really do want to highlight is the fact that you guys are putting the jobs right back into the Central Valley.
Oh, yes.
These people are going right back to work right here.
Most of the students that come here want to stay here. They're here on purpose. And a lot of agriculture, obviously the medical industry is booming here. HVAC is hot in the summer and cold in the winter. So there's jobs available year-round.
Beautiful. Where can people go to learn some more?
They can go to uei.edu, or even better, call the school, make an appointment, come in. I think you saw coming into our facility.
It's welcoming.
We're very friendly, very welcoming, and we help people get started with their life.
We love it. Amazing. Thank you so much for your time, Ada.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
We'll be right back.